Alright guys, welcome to another video. Today, update number 2 for Sphinx beard. So, stay tuned to the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear tips, then you have come to the right place. Please consider hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already. And check out my website, thebeardedoutdoorsman.com. Okay, so today is update number 2 for Sphinx beard. All right, so if you missed that unboxing, I put a card up top. You can check out the unboxing, what all came in from Sphinx beard for us to use for the month of January in Year of the Beard 2021. So today we're going to be talking about shave soap. Now look at that packaging, that silver inlay Sphinx shaving soap when beard has history, and then on the sides you have directions, which were good for me because I never used shave soap. Now I have used this during the month of January. So far I've used it 3 times and I can tell you it is awesome. Now I did have to go out and buy a shaving brush to use with this. Like I said, had never used shave soap before, and you're asking, what did you use it on? You have a beard. So what I did, I used it 3 times. I used it for my cheek lines, and I also got my wife to use it on the back of my neck to shave my back of my neck. So this is what it looks like after 3 times of use. All right, so basically if you have never used shave soap before, you get the shave brush, you saturate it, soak it in hot or warm water. According to the instructions, it says for 5 minutes. Then you take it out, you get squeeze a little bit of the excess out, and you just swirl it around in here. Swirl it around real good, kind of push it up and down, swirl it around, and you've got basically shaving cream on your brush. And then you put it where you want, you lather it up, and then you shave. It works amazing. Now, for me, doing just my cheek lines and the backs of my neck, this is a 4-ounce tub, and it should last a very long time. You guys that have used this to shave your face, let me know in the comments, how long does a 4-ounce tub last doing your face, doing your whole face on a regular basis? If you know, drop it in the comments. I'd love to know that information because I think this will last forever using just what I'm using here, and I would recommend it for that. This is in the smolder scent, which is oud, I think oud, leather, tobacco, sandalwood, vanilla. It's amazing. It smells so good. Yeah, they got a couple other scents in this, and the price on this is $22.99 for this 4-ounce tub of shave soap. Really awesome. Didn't know how I was going to get to use it when it came in, but then I decided I'd use it for my cheek lines and my neck, and it's great. I love it. So definitely check it out. There'll be a link in the description below. This is a short update because there's not a whole lot to say about it other than it smells, this scent smells amazing. We're going to talk about the scent later on in the month, but a little more in depth. But this smells so good. The packaging, so you've got your label on the front here, and then around it you've got your scent on the side as well as on the front or on the top. And you scroll around, you've got 4 ounce here, you've got your ingredients, and you've got Sphinx over here. And so yeah, this is just awesome. Love it. I'm now hooked on this. No more canned shaving cream for me. It is all going to be shave soap. So if you're interested, like I said, link will be in the description below. Get over, check it out. And that's all I've got for you today, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to stay tuned. We got more updates coming. We got more products to talk about. And until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.